I'm rich.
Sue, I have a question for you.
Yeah, Sammy, tell me.
Why you make crafts that take my money away?
Oh, what do you mean, Sammy?
Well, once my money was shamelessly eaten by the Hulk.
Oh, yeah, I remember that coin bank, green and roaring.
Another time my money was devoured by an unknown creature.
Your money's delicious, Sammy.
Right? Is that why you also fed him to a scary monster?
Yep, but do you remember how well it protected your coins?
And I also had to give my coins to a Lego piggy. Why do people trust their money to pigs? Oh, and do you remember that box where money disappeared for good?
It was magic.
For once, let's make something that will give money.
That's all you had to say. Aha! Great! We can make a cardboard ATM machine. Giving money out is all it does.
Oh, that's more like it.
Hi guys, Sam is so fed up with us for giving his money away that now he wants to get it just by pushing a button. We'll start with something easy. Whoosh! Be careful with hot glue, guys. Now we glue a part of the ATM body. Up! Our ATM will be a small one, but with a very interesting mechanism.
Why? Let's make a big one so we can get lots of money.
The amount of money inside does not depend on the ATM size, Sammy.
Huh. On what then?
Well, it depends on how much money you have on your bank account, and you use a card to get it. Spoiler, you need the actual card.
Huh. Okay. Do you need help?
Of course, Sammy. Here. Make a cylinder like this.
Easy peasy. And how does money appear on the account?
Generally, people earn it.
Oh, I can help you earn money!
Guys, give a thumbs up for my helper. And we wrap this part carefully. This looks like an ice cream bar. I guess I'm a little hungry. By the way, our cylinder is made of regular thick paper. And if you press the small cute bell down there, you'll be the first one to see a new video. Sam!
Already here! Ta-da!
This is the main part. Almost. Cylinders will help the bills appear from the ATM. So, we need to work on them some more. See?
Holy cannoli! Be very careful with these parts.
Aye, aye, Sammy. This is quite a complicated craft, but we are not afraid of challenges.
I am afraid. A little.
I'm with you, Sammy. That's why you don't have to be afraid. We'll use these two parts to secure the mechanism. Oh, hey, Sam. While I'm gluing, guess which country was the first one to use paper money?
Tibby-Dabo. The citizens of this country are very smart and creative.
It could have been Tibby-Dabo. There's no information about them. But as the official chronicles say, the first paper money appeared in China.
I'm sure the Tibby-Dabians were the first.
To make sure this ATM can give out money as if by magic, we'll use our favorite motor.
Whoosh, and you're rich like Scrooge McDuck.
Oh yes, but don't forget that we need a card to get the money.
Susie, does it have to be plastic?
Oh. Well, since we're making a cardboard ATM…
Then the card should be made of cardboard too. I'm on it.
Great, Sammy. And I will proceed with the mechanism. We take 2 sheets of paper. Each of them has a sticky part. We stick them together and get a long tape. And now we'll glue the tape to the cylinders. First goes one end. And then we glue the second end.
How will my money appear on my cardboard card account?
I'll just make a bank transfer.
Oh, modern technology is amazing.
Sammy decided that he needs to earn some money. I wonder how he wants to spend it.
Sue, I figured out that I can work as an electrician and assemble the mechanism. How much will I get?
Well, I guess that it'll be enough to buy some sweets.
Awesome! I'll go get wire circuits and microchips.
Oh, there are no microchips, Sammy. Just some wires and a battery.
Yeah.
Serious mission, serious Sam. As always. Ugh. This is the slot for the money-giving part of our ATM. I wonder what kind of card Sam made. He's in no hurry to show it to me. Imagine this, guys. In the Guinness Book of World Records, there's a man who got 1,397 credit cards in different banks. I wonder if he uses all of them.
Sue, I invented a very cool layout of wire connections.
Oh, Sammy, wires are not toys. That could be dangerous. You can't play like that with electricity. Guys, keep that in mind too.
My idea failed. I got tangled in the wires. So electricity is complicated and the wires are too long. I think that you better deal with them much better.
Yeah. With these wires on your head, you look like a very cute monster. A very colorful one. Let's deal with them one by one. It's always easier when you move a little slower. I suggest we glue everything and then connect them.
Okay, fine. I'll connect them.
As I understand, the gluing is on me.
Yes, I believe that you will manage the glue gun much better than me. What's this? What's this box for?
Oh, it's not a box. We'll insert the card here. Oh, by the way, have you made it?
Sue, if you rush me, we'll most certainly fail.
Okay, I won't. Pass me that LED light, please.
Oh, I know why we need it. If someone wants to rob the ATM, it will turn on and signal the police.
Oh, no, Sammy. It's to understand whether or not the ATM is on.
Oh, I thought so. Here you go.
Thanks. But the alarm idea is good. This is the main control panel.
Sounds like you're building a spaceship.
Since it's a spaceship, here's our launch button. Yay! We put the button back in place to glue the next part.
Space ATM. I wonder what kind of money aliens use. And what do they call it? Cosmo dollars?
Ooh, or galactic euro. Do you think they have money?
I'm pretty sure. Otherwise, how do they buy sweets, clothes, spaceships?
Could be. You know, Sammy, I've never wondered if there's money on other planets. Maybe they just look differently.
Definitely. On the planet made of sweets, everyone pays with donuts. And don't forget to subscribe. Aliens will be happy, and so will we.
Right, Sammy.
Shoo, my turn. I'll connect the wires.
Oh, please.
Connect and secure.
Bingo! You definitely earned money for sweets. When we insert the card, the impulse moves to the lamp via wires and then to the motor. And the motor is started by pressing the button. Sam is cutting out and painting the rest of the body parts, and I will load the money into the ATM. He is so inspired by the idea of earning money. I won't tell him about taxes for now. Now the money will go inside. Done! But keep quiet. It will be a secret from Sam that the money is already there. He'll be surprised and very happy.
Sue, this is my gold card of all the banks in the world. Keep it safe.
Whoa, got it. This card is really awesome. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. Let's test it now. We insert the card, push the button, and money comes out here.
All done. Cut and decorated. How much did I earn?
Awesome. It'll be enough for 2 candy servings and an ice cream.
Oh, I need more. What else can I do?
Well, I'll finish with the body parts and you can glue the rest.
Holy cannoli, this is so exciting! To work and get money for it!
Bring it on! And you guys press the thumbs up button.
Careful, easy. Got Guys, the glue gun is very hot, so be careful with this tool. Or ask an adult to help.
A couple more cardboard pieces and our ATM is ready. I think it looks great. Sammy, shall we check how much money you earned? Where's your card?
Here, I can buy all the sweets in the world!
Yes, and maybe a spaceship. Shall we try to withdraw money?
I am so looking forward to it! My first payday for a dream job!
The light is on. It means our ATM is ready to roll. Sammy, enter your PIN code. You know that it's not allowed to tell anybody.
Done! Give me my money, Wonder Machine!
We press enter and voila! Here you go.
Yay! I want more!
Easy peasy. Here we go. Up!
This is your best craft. It gives out money. I'll go get candies.
Yep, this craft is defo the most useful one. Bye-bye, guys.
Press the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss new videos. Bye-bye.